Howdy, y'all. It is Mr. J, and happy Friday. Today is the 15th of January. We're halfway through the month. Woohoo. That's awesome. I'm talking about your announcements for next week, which is the 18th through the 22nd, the third week of third quarter. My contact info is on the front page, as always. All right, junior high kids, next Friday is a band day for my 5th grade, 6th grade, and 7th graders. 8th graders, it's your chorus day, and it is your lesson week. We do not have school on Monday, so that means clarinets, 8th grade clarinets, you will not have lessons next week, unfortunately. So saxophones, I will see you on Tuesday, 8th grade saxophones. All right, 5th graders, make sure that you bring your bells, my percussion kids. All of you brought them this week. I just want to make sure that I keep reminding you to bring your bells. We will be talking about, that is the teachers and staff, we are working on our remote learning stuff today. So make sure that junior high parents and students, you keep your eyes and ears open. You never know what will be communicated out in terms of just protocol and procedures and stuff like that. Cool. You have a 3-day weekend, 3.5, because today's a half day for y'all. So break your instrument out sometime this weekend and play it. It does not have to be school music. It could be stuff from a movie, could be Disney music, could be, rock and roll or jazz or whatever you want to practice. Just make sure that you practice a few times this weekend. That's your homework. All right. High schoolers, here's your announcements. Next Friday is a band day, so I'll be seeing everybody next Friday. Show choir combo kids, we are hoping to start soon. That's all kind of pending what happens with Governor Pritzker's COVID mitigation announcement. So we'll see what happens there. If you have not RSVP'd to the email that I sent out last week with a request for verification of are you going to be in combo, please RSVP to that because I need to make sure who's doing it and what they're playing for which group so that I can get the music all set up and all that stuff. Additionally, pending COVID mitigations, there may be an opportunity for a volunteer marching band. If so, we might have to move pretty quickly on it. So just be keeping that on your radar. I'll be communicating about that if it becomes an opportunity for us. All right. Your assignment, again, we've got a 3-day weekend, 3.5-day weekend. So your assignment is just to practice, whether that's Pixar Movie Magic like we're working on right now, or if you just want to go and find something that you want to play. Just get your instrument out and play. All right. So there's your announcements there. Whoop-a-doopa. All right. For my band advocate minute, Mrs. Falk, the Jefferson Park music teacher, shared a really nifty video about how music affects your brain. It follows kind of this guy and another guy as they walk through the scientific process of what music does to your brain. It is really cool. So take a minute. It's about 10 minutes long, and just watch it. It's a pretty cool video. So that's all I got for this week. Have a great week. Let me know if you need anything at all. If you're remote and want to zoom into our classes, reach out to me, and I will open up Zoom during your class time. All right, y'all. That's it. Have a good day.